Name is Franklin Hasse, and the last time I posted how to create PayPal in Ghana and other countries, and today we'll be looking at how to create a credit card, and further on we'll look at how to link your credit card to your PayPal account so that you can be able to withdraw from your account. That's your PayPal account to your mobile money to make your money readily available to you. So without much ado, let's just dive inside. So there will be a link down my YouTube video. You just have to look there, click on it, and sign up as I'll be doing. So this is the link. I click on mine. It takes me straight to my browser where I have my Palmpay registration, and I'm a Ghanaian, so I have Ghana over here. So in this box, I'll be typing my telephone number, which is 0200562003. Now I have to leave the captcha so that I'll be able to do the verification very well. So I have to go on to my first name, which is Franklin, then to my last name, Hasse. Then I'll select a PIN code for myself, and then same again. I have to confirm. Then that's my invite code over there. All right, so now we have to come back to the captcha side. We have to enter the captcha, which is 0N8M. Then you have to press the send code, and you have to check on your phone for any code that will be sent to you. So you send the code. Okay, so I have a wrong captcha. Those are some of the reasons. You have to re-enter another one. Good. So the captcha should be SMAXMT2. Good. So now it's gone, and I will be seeing a new code on my phone. Good. So I've received my code, and the code happens to be 525504. Okay, so that's my code. Then click on sign up. Okay, so now I have already downloaded the app on my iPhone. So what I need to do is to open and log out from my first account. Yes, I already have one, so only have to log out and key in my new number. Oh no. Okay, so code is this. Oops. For one reason, I have to change phone for this, because I have some little challenges with my other phone, iPhone. Yeah, so now let's take it from here. So we have already gotten our Palmpay app, so we have to log in into the Palmpay because you have already registered. So you download the app. Okay, all right, so this is the home page. You click on login or sign up, go to login. We have to allow. So you guys are really going to enjoy this. Okay, all right, so my number is 0200562003. Click on next. Still loading. All right, so they've sent a verification code to my phone, and I need to check for that code. Okay, so we are waiting for the message to come. All right, and the code has arrived. All right, so 5737 is my verification code. So now I have to enter my pin now. Very good. So I've successfully signed in into my Palmpay app. So start now. No need for this, but you can still use it if you want to. A pattern, probably you can set a pattern, that one. So I have a pattern using on my Palmpay. Okay, all right. So I have a notification here. They are just contact requesting and also welcoming me to Palmpay. Okay, now we need to confirm certain things so you can be able to use the Palmpay account. Okay, so before any other thing, for instance, I need to say that I'm buying credit. Okay, I want to top up from my Momo usual. So you have seen that. So before that, I need to actually do other stuffs. Okay, I need to do registration, so I have to apply for it. Okay, so my details are already there. Franklin has a, and my identity card is let's see, voters ID, and then my voters ID number 23810. Okay, 10564. All right, so I'm done with that. I go to next. My date of birth, let me see, I'm born on 5th April, so that will be the 4th month. Yeah, let me see, let's, I'm born 98. Okay, all right, so I'm a male. Then my address is Dave Junction. So then ho, yeah, I'm in the voter region right now. Okay, so with that I need an document. Okay, so it's optional though, but so everything is set here. Go to next. All right, and they said I have successfully what apply for my account. Okay, so this basically what it is. So I don't need any security, so I skip this for now. Skip this as well. Okay, so my notification is always here telling me that. Okay, all right, so without much ado, I have to top up from my account to check if it's really working. So how much do I need into my account? Okay, but before then, you need to know the number that you are actually sending your money to. Okay, you need to know the number you are sending the money or the credit card to. So that number has to be here. Okay, so you delete this one, and that number is, let's say, 050-638-9815. Okay, it's correct, and it's a Vodafone line, and I'm sending let me say 6 cities. Okay, so when I'm sending that, press OK. Then I have to choose my wallet over here. Okay, my wallet is needed to be chosen here, so I'm using Vodafone Cash, which is already here, and then that's my number there. Okay, so I click on next. Okay, so it's loading. All right, I'll be giving a point. Okay, you'll be given a Palmpay point which you can use. So when you click on this, I won't be able to pay the whole 6 cities. I'm going to pay for only 3 cities. Okay, I'm paying for only 3 cities. Okay, all right, so then I click on pay, and I'll receive, so okay, before that I enter my code, and I'll be receiving a message on my phone for me to confirm the credit I want to buy. All right, and the message has come for me. So with that, I'm confirming. All right, and it's done. Okay, so I'm able to use my Palmpay account to actually buy credit. Okay, all right, so that's a message to show me that we are going to know how to create our credit card or our visual credit card on Palmpay. Okay, there are other apps that I also have, and we have the Bitseeker and the rest. Okay, but I prefer the Palmpay because yes, everything is free. Moreover, too, you have a free point where you can use to do your transactions. In my previous video, you saw how I was able to buy 6 cedis credits, and I've only paid for 3 cedis out of the point that has been given to me. So this is the point that has been given to me over here. Hope you are all considered. So in total, I was having 600 points, and I bought credits at 3 cedis plus their 3 cedis, making 6 cedis. It's also 300 points. So minus that has given me 300, and I've gained additional 60 points for buying credit from them. So Palmpay, I think, is the best as at now. Nevertheless, there are best ones also there. Now, in here, we are coming to learn how to create our visual card. So without much ado, you go straight to your visual card, but here you have to upload documents all over again. So with that, I have to take a picture of my okay. So I'm changing my ID type to SNIT, and my ID number have to be all right. So let me confirm. Oops, this time around, this is successful. So I'll be able to create my account. Okay, all right. So yeah, probably my middle name is Che. So name on card. So just say Franklin. Yeah, just like that one. All right, so move to next. Then my address is to Dave Junction, and then all right, the city is whole state. Can choose any, so I'm choosing the first state here. Okay, which is AA. I don't know what actually is that though. And you click on next. Okay, and this is a telephone number I'm about to use over here. Okay, yet I can still change the telephone number. Okay, yeah, I can still change the telephone number I use over here. Yet this is okay. I like it that way. National ID card. Okay, so my ID number is let me see, 23101056. Okay, and 0278826858. All right, my email should be gdsa2012@gmail.com. all right, so basically that is it, and it's successful. Okay, so now we are done having our card, and the system has created our card for us. So let's go there to find out. All right, so there is it over here. You go. Okay, all right, so this is my credit card, my last two endings, and then my expiring date, and then my CVV, and those are the cards I'll be using. Okay, and with this one, I have to, if you want to see the full number or the full details on your credit card, you just have to click on this very one here. Okay, this I symbol here. Okay, that is it over there. All right, so we are done creating our credit card. All right, thank you very much.